Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to analyze THORChain and its token RUNE. We'll be conducting a machine learning based price forecast and also analyzing regression based valuation as well as dollar cost averaging related models. So let's get started. The price of RUNE today is at around $3.82. Basic tokenomics related to RUNE, about 413 million RUNE token in circulation, of max supply of which 334 million in circulation. So more than 60% of the of the total supply is in circulation. This particular crypto does not have a max supply. Fully diluted market cap at around $1.5 billion, ranked at number 53 per market cap, but by volume number 21. That means volume is on being traded is on a higher side, which is always a good sign in a bull market. If we focus on the machine learning based price forecast for the next 6 months, this is our model trained on weekly price action for RUNE since the token launch. The three scenarios that we would like to present is the base case for RUNE between $3.67 to about $4.60. The one standard deviation bull case at about 68% confidence interval between $4.22 and $11. And the one standard deviation bear case between $1.40 and $3.13. So if you're interested in looking at week by week price analysis or prediction, this is the table at the bottom of the screen, and also all of these charts that we will be discussing today are available on the website cryptoweeklies.com, and the analysis conducted and the forecast shared are not financial advice. This is output of our machine learning model and regression based analysis using statistical methods. So you can see that the base case is in this column. To its left is the one standard deviation bear case, to its right is the one standard deviation bull case, to the right of one standard deviation bull case is the two standard deviation bull case. So that considers about 95% confidence level, and the three standard deviation is at around 99.7 confidence level. So all of these, if you're interested in understanding the week by week forecast for most of the top 100 cryptocurrencies, RUNE is just one of the top 100. You can subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and also check out the website on the bottom of your screen, cryptoweeklies.com. Now we'll spend some time analyzing RUNE in terms of its regression based valuation. Right now the price of RUNE at around $3.78, which is close to the two standard deviation bottom per our polynomial regression analysis. Per our analysis, the fair value for RUNE in a bull market is at around $17.53. So again, about a 4.5x from the current valuation. The two standard deviation bottom at around $4.95. Again, that would be the first key level to watch. Now that the price action is close to the two standard deviation price action, the second key level to watch is if there is in a rally, and in a rally if the valuation goes as high as $9.32. Again, and the third landmark would be the reaching the fair value at around $17.53. So those are some of the key levels to watch. The purpose of this analysis is to identify if the particular crypto is in an overvaluation stage or undervaluation stage, and you can see that the price in this analysis does not have a linear relationship with time. During the bull market, prices go up with time. During the bear market, they go down with time, and we tried to come up with a suitable polynomial regression function which understands these cyclical patterns in the crypto market and tries to assign overvaluation and undervaluation territory based on relative time of the phase of the market cycle, as well as historical price action. So if the prices were to crater, the three standard deviation support is at around $2.63 at this point in time. So these charts get updated every single day, so you can check out these charts on cryptoweeklies.com, and for one crypto there are all the charts are mentioned in a simple tabular format. In terms of, now we'll spend some time in understanding whether RUNE at this point in time is a good buy based on the risk analysis. Right now the short term risk analysis for any dollar cost averaging is at around 0.26 risk. That means it's the third best time to dollar cost average RUNE. The second best time is in this blue territory between 0.1 and 0.2 risk, and the best time per this analysis for any short term rallies is this between 0 and 0.1 risk level. Again, you can find that in the middle of the bear market when there is a high likelihood of mean reversion. So this is the shorter term accumulation strategy. If you were to look at across one market cycle at one time, you can see this polynomial regression based dollar cost averaging related risk based model, again normalized between 0 and 1. Right now per this model the risk is between this 0 and 0.1 risk band. Again per this model, this is the best time to dollar cost average. You can see historically speaking, whenever the price has been substantially below this fair value regression band, that's when making a informed decision, again this is not financial advice, informed decision about whether it's a good time to enter and buy RUNE. And similarly this also helps understand whether it's overvalued based on the peak regression valuation. And again the color codes also you can see over here, whenever the risk goes between 0.9 and 1 tend to be in the darker shade of red. So again this is a moderate or one cycle at a time based model, but if you look at longer time period, this is a time weighted average price based accumulation strategy, where the key idea is whenever the price is below the time weighted average price, the risk is the lowest. And right now you can see that the price has just started to make an upward swing from its time weighted average price. The time weighted average price is at around $3.51. That means the price action right now is slightly higher than the time weighted average price. That does not mean that the risks have gone up substantially. So if you want to know the current risk level per this model, you can toggle between the risk score is at around 0.08. So based on just to summarize everything that we discussed based on time weighted average price, this is the second best time to dollar cost average RUNE. Per the TCM model, this is the best time to dollar cost average RUNE. Per the SMA or the shorter term risk based model, it's the third best time to dollar cost average RUNE. And last not the least is understanding where the overall crypto related market is based on this SMA risk analyzer. This takes into consideration Bitcoin and ETH and their risk, because that constitute Bitcoin and ETH together constitute between 60 and 80% of the entire crypto market. And understanding whether Bitcoin and ETH both are in low risk or high risk makes more sense to analyze what the behavior of altcoins could be. At this point in time, Bitcoin's risk is at around 0.24, ETH is slightly below that at 0.238. That means in the larger scheme of things, this risk regimen is at low risk between 0.2 and 0.4. The best time to buy is when the risks are below 0.2. The second best time is between 0.2 and 0.4. And you can see that not too long ago, that is again 10 to 11 days ago, on August 5th, the risk for BTC was at around 0.14 when the price was close to 50k. So again, that's one way to understand the market. And we leave with understanding some of the popular narratives over the last 7 days. Again, Bitcoin and the bullish sentiment is coming back up. There are other narratives such as the price action related to altcoin, and also some bearish narratives over here, and discussions about Ethereum are also and Cardano and Solana are also getting some popularity. So this is our one attempt to understand what is happening in the market and understand which cryptos are being discussed. Again, new entrant over here, Hedera, is again being discussed, Tether, and also some of the data related cryptos, as well as narratives related to XRP, are gaining some popularity. So with this, the last thing that we'll do is understand the social sentiment at this point in time. This is our crypto news sentiment analysis, analyzes over the last 24 hours crypto related content generated across the internet, and classifies these narratives into bullish, bearish, and neutral. Bullish is green, neutral is yellow, and bearish is red. Again, you can see there are some bearish narratives, but the overall sentiment score is at around 54. And if you were to compare that with the fear and greed index over here on coin market cap, you can see that over here the fear and greed is much more neutral, or again much more conservative than the social sentiment. That means again the price action has yet to catch up with the newly found social sentiment, which is turning more and more bullish. With this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.